Welcome to Best Choice. The best snap-on teeth is probably one of the most transformative cosmetic dental solutions available today. They offer a quick and often affordable way to achieve a brighter, more confident smile without the commitment of permanent procedures. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of snap-on teeth, exploring their pros and cons, and helping you decide if they're the right choice for you. Number 5. GENKENT Replacement Toothbrush Heads for Oral-B. Introducing the GENKENT Replacement Toothbrush Heads. These are designed to be a premium replacement for your Oral-B electric toothbrush. They offer a superior clean. These brush heads feature soft and flexible DuPont bristles. They are durable and designed to effectively clean your teeth without falling apart. The precisely angled bristles are designed to reach deep between your teeth. This design provides a more outstanding cleaning power compared to manual toothbrushes. The GENKENT replacement heads come in a box for easy storage. This helps to keep the unused brush heads clean and ready for use. Installation is simple. Just remove your old brush head and snap the GENKENT head into place. It's quick and easy. These toothbrush heads are compatible with a wide range of Oral-B electric toothbrush models. They are a cost-effective way to maintain your oral hygiene. What we like. This product features soft DuPont bristles for a gentle yet effective clean. The angled bristles provide a deeper clean, reaching areas that manual brushes miss. The box design keeps them clean and ready to use. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to maintain your oral hygiene, this is a great choice. What people say. The teeth look very realistic. They fit perfectly and are very comfortable. The teeth are easy to use and remove. Number 4. Reach Ultraclean Snap-On Flosser and Refill Head. Introducing the Reach Ultraclean Access Snap-On Flosser. This reusable flosser makes cleaning between your teeth simple and effective. It is designed to help you maintain excellent oral hygiene. The flosser comes with a refreshing mint-flavored refill head. This provides a pleasant taste while effectively cleaning your teeth. You'll enjoy the fresh feeling it leaves behind. This flosser is specifically designed for adult oral care. It helps to remove plaque and food particles from hard-to-reach areas. Using it regularly contributes to a healthier mouth. The flosser operates manually with a snap-on brush head. The head is easy to replace, making it convenient to use. It's a simple yet effective tool for your daily routine. Weighing only 0.02 pounds, the flosser is compact and easy to carry. You can take it with you wherever you go, ensuring you maintain your oral hygiene on the move. It's perfect for travel. What we like. This flosser is reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice. The mint flavor leaves your mouth feeling fresh and clean. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go oral care. If you travel frequently or simply want a convenient way to floss, you should consider this. What people say. Super easy to use and durable. It is easier than regular floss and gets it hard to reach places. It makes flossing super easy, no issues hitting my back teeth. No drool everywhere. No fingers getting circulation cut off from floss wrapped around them. And best of all, I was able to easily floss my whole mouth without shredding the floss. Number 3. Haven Toothbrush Cover, Travel Toothbrush Case. This is the Haven Toothbrush Cover, designed to protect your toothbrush. It fits most electric and manual toothbrushes, keeping them clean and safe. The Haven cover is compatible with popular brands like Quip, Colgate, Oral-B, and Sonicare. It's designed to fit most adult and kids' toothbrushes. Each pack includes 2 covers, one aqua blue and one emerald green. Simply shake your toothbrush dry and snap the cover on. It's small, light, and portable, making it perfect for travel. It won't take up much space in your toiletry kit. Made from premium, food-grade BPA-free material, this cover keeps your toothbrush clean and fresh. It is safe to use. Ideal for home, travel, or school. It ensures your toothbrush stays clean wherever you go. What we like. This product is designed to fit most toothbrushes, both electric and manual. It's small, light, and easy to carry, perfect for travel. Made from BPA-free material, it keeps your toothbrush clean and safe. If you like to keep your toothbrush protected while traveling, this is a must-have. What people say. The design is sleek and functional, and I love that the set comes with 4 colors: white, coral, teal, and charcoal gray. The fit is perfect for both manual and electric toothbrushes, and it keeps the bristles covered and protected from dirt and germs. The breathable material is another great feature, allowing the toothbrushes to stay dry and preventing mold or bacteria buildup. Number 2. 168 PCS Dental Synthetic Resin Teeth. These are brand new, high-quality synthetic resin teeth. They are designed to look realistic and are perfect for various uses. You can use them for a makeup look. The teeth come in the A3 shade, offering a natural appearance. They are made of solid synthetic resin material, not hollow. These teeth are ideal for use as a fake teeth model for learning purposes. They provide a great way to understand dental structures. Each box contains 6 sets, and each set includes 28 pieces, totaling 168 pieces. They are not teeth crowns. These teeth are also great for Halloween. They can be used to create a scary look. What we like. This product offers a realistic appearance, perfect for creating a convincing look. Made from synthetic resin, they are durable and solid. With multiple sets included, you'll have plenty to work with. If you are looking for a realistic and versatile option for your Halloween costume, this is the one. What people say. The teeth look very realistic. They fit perfectly and are very comfortable. I can eat and drink with them with no problem. Number 1. Synthetic Resin Dental Teeth 22A2 for Halloween. These teeth are made of synthetic resin, offering a realistic appearance. They are solid, not hollow, and designed for cosmetic use. These teeth are brand new and of high quality. They are perfect for creating a realistic makeup look, especially for Halloween. This product can be used to repair dental defects or create full dentures. However, it's important to use them under the guidance of a professional dentist. The teeth look very realistic. You can use them to enhance your appearance for special occasions or makeup looks. The teeth are made of solid synthetic resin. They are not tooth crowns. You can rely on them to create the desired effect. What we like. This product offers a realistic appearance, perfect for creating a convincing look. Made from synthetic resin, they are durable and solid. With multiple sets included, you'll have plenty to work with. If you are looking for a realistic and versatile option for your Halloween costume, this is the one. What people say. These are amazing to hand out at conventions, fairly easy to pop off their adhesive strip if you take it slow, but if some of the adhesive gets stuck it's pretty easy to scrape off. They look pretty realistic too. Excellent for dental practice or crafts. Well organized and good quality. Perfect for dental students or to build models. I run an orthodontic lab and periodically need false teeth for flipper appliances. The normal places I order from are very expensive, these are very cheap and good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.